Hello everyone, here is another very simple SAT examination question. We are given a diagram here. This is y-axis and this is x-axis, and we have a line P that cuts through y and x-axis at 2 points. The y-intercept is located at 0, b, the x-intercept is at a, 0. We're asked to show that the equation of this line P is y divided by b plus x divided by a equal to 1. So, what is my recommendation here? Whenever you have points and you have a slope, you can easily use this formula which stated that y minus y1 or y0 sometimes equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x0. Yeah, these are the initial points. How can we find m, which is the slope of the line P? So let's start with m. M is equal to what? y2 minus y1 divided by what? x2 minus x1. And you can start from anywhere. So let me start with b minus 0. Oh, should I start here? Okay, if I say 0 minus b, 0 minus b divided by a minus 0. This is the slope, a minus 0. And if you simplify, this is going to give us negative b divided by a. Negative b divided by a is the slope. So let me use this point. So let me say at point E, the x-intercept. You can use this point, but I would like to use this at a, 0. So we have the slope and we have a point. So we can substitute into this formula. So this is y minus y0 is 0, right? Equal to the slope, which is minus b divided by a, minus b divided by a, multiplied by x minus x0, which is e. So this is what we are going to simplify and see whether we can get this, because we actually show that the equation is this. Y minus 0 is simply y equals, should I expand? Okay, minus bx divided by a. Minus minus is plus. ab divided by a. And this a will cancel, right? So we have y equals minus bx divided by a plus b. Let me bring this one to the left because I know I have a term of y and term of x to the left. So let me bring them back. I have y plus b divided by ax equal to b. What should we do next? Divide every single term by b. Because I have 1 here, I know by dividing this by b by itself, you're going to get 1. So this is y divided by what? B plus let me say bx divided by a, also divided by b, equal to b divided by b. So I have divided every single term by b. I have y divided by b here. This b and this b will cancel. I have x divided by a, and b divided by b is simply 1. Is it the same? Exactly. So we have shown that the equation of this line P, given these 2 points, is indeed y divided by b plus x divided by a equal to 1.